Welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be making a mechanical pencil. So, all these pieces from a mechanical pencil that I broke, and it's been like, I don't know, 8 days since I broke this. So I'm going to be eating half this video. But, alright. So, put the video and it will be made. So, nope. So, I made the mechanical pencil. And if you want to see if it actually works, see now. Look. It's going up, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down. Alright. So, now I'm going to have to actually show you how to make it. Oh, whoa. Spring already fell out. There. There's all the pieces again. Alright. So, what you do is you get this white part and you get to put the spring in there. And then you put this up in here like that. And then you put this, you see this little piece? See this little piece? And you shove this up there. And you put this right there, like so. Put this on. Then you put this on, and voila! A working mechanical pencil again. And you want to see that it's working? Oh, let me show you. Look. Oh gosh. I need to shove that back in there. So, it works. Oh gosh. Maybe not. Oh wait, hold on. I know why it's not working. It needs to be shoved right here. Alright, now it's like that. Take this off. Wait, springs on there. Okay. Is it because of the spring? Is it because of I think it's sucking the spring. Oh no. Oh gosh. Put this up right there. Right here. Right? Then you Right. Oh gosh. Alright. I don't know how to make it, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I don't know how to make a mechanical pencil. So don't ask me. Bye.